Hey guys, welcome back to Andrew Crypto. If you are new here, I do give videos every day on how you could earn money online and side hustles that are legit and are going to pay you. Alright guys, so in this very video, I'm going to be showing you how I make up to 10k on a daily basis using this website. So as you could see right here, right now, I just received this payment. As you see, I just received this payment like just now today. You can see the time over here. I received it today. This is 10,000 naira payment that I got from the website. So guys, stay tuned while I go to the website right now and show you around it. It's a new website that's going to pay you to click. It's like a PTC website, pay to click website. So guys, the name of this platform is NairaHoneyBit. So the link to downloading the app and the website will be in the description box. So do have to check the description box to get yourself ready. So this is the way the app looks like. So but I'll make an illustration today with the website. So guys, if you click the link down below this video using my referral, if you click my referral link below this video, you get redirected to this page. Don't forget to use my referral code on registration. Alright guys, so this is what the website looks like. Earn and make money online per click. So NairaHoneyBit gets paid. It pays people to click. So and they also offers a 10,000 naira weekly giveaway to people that are using their app. Alright guys, so look at their features here. As you can see, best way to earn. They have a very good support system. As you can see, this live chat where I can chat with them directly if I'm having problems with my account, so that it will be rectified, or I could just chat them via mail. So guys, they also have their packages. So this is called the earning package. So guys, as you can see, this one over here, it's free. This is the plan that's going to be given to you when immediately you register, and its validity is 7 days. You're going to be clicking 2 ads per day for 7 days, and one ad costs for one ad that you click, you're going to be getting 15 to 20 naira. And as you can see, this is their second plan, Smally plan. The price of this plan right here is 3,000 naira, and the validity is 30 days, and you're going to be getting the sum of 10 PTC per day. So if you are getting, okay, let's do small calculation here. Okay, so let's, for example, you are subscribing to the Smally plan, that is Smally starter plan, and you pay 3,000 naira. You're going to be getting 10 PTC per day, which is 15 naira. Okay, you're going to be getting 15 naira times 10 per day. You're going to be making 150 naira per day, and times 1 month, you're going to be getting 4,500 naira. So every 1 month, guys, you're going to be getting 4,500 naira if you choose that Smally plan to use. So you could also go for the higher plan. Higher plans, the higher the plans you go for, the higher the profit I get. So guys, they also have the 15,000 naira plan, but this one is for 40 days, and for sure it's going to yield more profits. So this is it. So download their app. Kindly click on this article here. You get redirected to the link in the article. There will be a link in the article, so you kindly click it to download their app, or you could just download it here. Alright guys, so once you click the link in the description box, you'll be redirected to a page like this. You'll be redirected to a page like this one. Okay, create an account. This is the kind of page that you'll be redirected to. Okay. Watching this video, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I'm doing this video as a bounty program, as fulfilling this website bounty program. They also do not pay for only click to pay, click to earn. They do not pay for the way this website pays is they pay you to click, they pay you to reference, that referral program, and they also pay you for using their bounty program. I'll be showing you right now. So once you click on that link, you get redirected to this page, register on your account. So all you need to do is to input your username, email, your phone number, and your password. All this information must be correct, because there will be a minor KYC verification that we are going to go through in order for us to withdraw funds. So guys, as you can see, as a bounty claim, it's bounty claim. So I made over 20,000 naira using this bounty claim program. So as you can see, it's 10 million naira bounty claim. So as you can see, they have the Facebook bounty claim where you could get 100 to 10,000 naira. So all you need to do is to read about these articles, read about it, and after, let's say for example now I want to do a YouTube bounty claim. So as you can see right here, they are going to pay me 100 naira to 70,000 naira for doing a YouTube bounty claim. As you can see, make a video about them, and the duration should be like 3 minutes. And okay, now I'm getting 10,000 100 naira to 50,000 naira just for doing a 3 minutes video. So after completing any of these tasks that are here, you kindly go to those place, you follow their instruction. As you can see, these are their ways to claim your bonus. You must be a registered user. Then after doing the bounty, send the email to this their bounty email address. Then the subject of the this thing should be like bounty claim, subject of the mail you are sending, and description should be a screenshot of your link, a screenshot of your bounty that you have done. And as you can see, you must be a real person. And if you try to scam the platform of their bounty claim, your account will be frozen. Right guys, so let me quickly log into my account and show you the way the real dashboard looks like. Okay, do not forget to join my Telegram channel. I do give updates day on how you could also earn money online. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is the sign in page. Okay, so I'll quickly complete this captcha and my email, username and password. So I'll be logging in right now. So guys, this is what the dashboard looks like. As you can see, my main balance right here right now is 20,000 naira, and I recently got this 20,000 naira from both bounty and the referral program. So guys, as you can see, on registration, after registration and you log in, this KYC verification page will be shown to you. So all you need to do is to just click to verify in order for you to withdraw funds. So just click to verify the KYC. It's a very simple one. So as you can see over here, the first image, what you are going to be submitting is pictures. So as you can see, it says a picture of your NIN. If you don't have NIN or you don't have any of these verification materials, kindly contact their support email. Contact their support email. Use live chat. If you use live chat, they are going to give you they're going to do manual verification for you, and your account will be verified immediately. Alright guys, so after this, screenshot of yourself, a selfie of yourself rather, then screenshot that shows that you're a member of their Telegram group. So to join their Telegram group, all you need to do is to go to your dashboard. So as you're in your dashboard right now, you can see join us on Telegram. So kindly click on this page to join them on Telegram. They are a growing community, so that's why it's like this. So I believe that from it will get to a time when KYC verification will no longer be needed. So to get a plan, guys, to get a plan, all you need to do is to click on this deposit button over here. Deposit button. You can deposit through bank deposit or crypto deposit, and you could also withdraw through bank withdrawal or crypto withdrawal. So to complete KYC, kindly drop those images and click on the submit button. Within 5 to 24 hours, I'm going to be getting a notification that it has been successfully verified. So guys, get a plan, kindly deposit and go to this plan section over here to subscribe to a plan. It's totally easy. After as you can see, this is my current package, small plan. And if you want to subscribe to this one right here, I can do it because I'm having up to 7k in my balance. But for the sake of this video, I'm not going to be doing it. I will just be showing you about this website, and I'm going to be claiming my bounty program. This is Christmas, everybody find money. So guys, to earn on a daily basis, this is what you do. This is what you do. So you go to this icon over here, click on it. After clicking on it, you get shown to this place. So this is the PTC. Click on the PTC, then click on the ads, and you'll get redirected to this page. As you can see, each of these ads here will give you 15 naira per click and submit. Alright guys, so I'm quickly click on the first one. So that's the first one I'm clicking on right now, and as you can see over here, the ads is loading successfully. Okay, let's wait. Then the ads will start loading. Here will start loading. Then after it's finished loading, there's a minor capture that will be completing. And after I complete that capture, guys, I'm going to be getting my reward straight to my balance right now. And I pray that this video goes viral so that I can be selected and put on the main frame of the website. Right guys, I'm doing another one. Alright guys, so this is another one, and as you can see, it's loading already. So after this stuff is loaded, I'm going to be completing the capture in order for me to claim my 15 naira reward. Please know that using this PTC platform, using this PTC clicks, you could earn from 15 naira to 20 naira, depends on the ads that you are clicking. So as a user of this platform, the platform opens you to the opportunity of advertising on the platform. So like this ad that I'm clicking, you can create your own ad and advertise it on the platform. So I'll be showing you that after I claim my 15 naira reward. So using the small leaf plan, I'm having just 10 PTC to claim on a daily basis, which is earning me about 150 naira on a daily basis. But that does not stop there. I could also choose to participate in the referral program and the bounty program, and that for me to earn more profit. Click on leave, then a success message will show. Successfully viewed this ads and my balance has increased. Okay, so let me quickly go to the referral page. So get your referral link. All you need to do to get it is to go to your dashboard. Then you click on this referral. Then you click on referred users. Clicking on that referred users will show you your the amount of the people that are referred and your referral link. You could also contact support if you need any stuff. Create a new ticket to contact support. Okay, so where's the ads? Okay, just click on the PTC ads to advertise. Then click on my ads. Click on my ads. So this platform opens you to the opportunity of creating advertisement. So I tried this once. Um, okay. So all you need to do is to click on this my advertisement button and you get redirected to a page. So all you need to do is to name the title of your ad. Then if it's a URL ad, it's a link ad, a banner image ad, or script code that you're going to write, or YouTube ad, just input it there and click on submit. Please know that the balance that when you click on some, let's say for example now you want to show this ad to 100 people. You want to show it to 100 people and the price is okay. Let's say the price. Let's check the price. The price per one person that we are going to be showing to is 13 naira. So let's say for example you are showing to 100 people. This is going to it's going to cost you 3,000 naira, and they're going to be cutting this balance from your. They're going to be cutting this stuff from your balance here. They're going to be cutting from your balance here. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you also earn money this Christmas so that this Christmas will prepare for us. Don't forget to subscribe so that you could view other my other side hustles that I used to earn up to 100,000 naira on a daily basis. Thank you very much for watching. I'll be making a live withdrawal from this platform in my second short video.